Welcome to this tutorial on finding your PayPal ID. Your PayPal ID is a unique identifier that is used to identify your account and facilitate transactions. To locate your PayPal ID, start by logging into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the page to access the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page with various account options. Scroll down to the Account Information section and look for the PayPal ID field. Your PayPal ID will be listed here as a series of letters and numbers. You can copy and paste this ID into any field that requires it. Alternatively, you can also find your PayPal ID on the PayPal app. To do this, open the app and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then, tap on Settings and select Account Settings. Your PayPal ID will be listed on this page. It is essential to keep your PayPal ID secure and not share it with anyone. Your PayPal ID is a unique identifier that is linked to your account, and sharing it could compromise the security of your account. In addition to finding your PayPal ID, it is also important to understand how to use it. Your PayPal ID is used to receive payments and can be shared with others to facilitate transactions. However, it is crucial to only share your PayPal ID with trusted individuals and to use it only for legitimate transactions. In conclusion, finding your PayPal ID is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can quickly and easily locate your PayPal ID and start using it to facilitate transactions. Remember to keep your PayPal ID secure and only share it with trusted individuals to protect the security of your account.